How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the DCF845B. This is without the battery, and this is the ultimate in Dewalt impact drivers. This is the best of the best. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what it exactly comes with, and then we'll try it with my battery. Very small packaging. It's not a lot that you need right here. So let's go ahead and just take it right out just like that. So we do have our instruction booklet, of course, if you care to read that. I don't really care to read that. And we've got the little hook right here. So the hook is what you can apply to the side of your drill if you want to hook it onto your belt or whatnot. I don't really use these much, so we're just going to put that aside. And let's go ahead and pop open. Look at that beautiful impact driver right here, brushless. This is very, very nice. I love the grippiness to it. It does have the LEDs on here as well. This one has more power than any of the ones that you can purchase, any of the other ones that you can purchase. This is the best of the best. It does have the speed control right here on the bottom as well. But let's go ahead and grab the ultimate battery, the 5 amp Powerstack 20 volt battery. We'll go ahead and throw that right on right here. There it is. And now we have the ultimate in power. We'll turn the switch on right here. There we go. There we go. Woo! Yes, baby. Look at that LED lights. Very, very bright LED lights on there. Definitely the best of the best when it comes to your impact driver as well as the battery. This is the best combination that you can get for currently on the market. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out.